Alright guys, the first thing of the day that we're going to do, oh, I'm going to wait. The first thing I'm going to ask, Naja, what was the weather like when you were outside? Tasneem. What was the weather like? Oh, I'm going to wait, and so is Tasneem. She shouldn't have to talk over you. Thank you. What was the weather outside like, Tasneem? So what did it look like? Tristan. It looks sunny, and what did it feel like? Cool. So we're going to turn to page, what page is our calendar on? 28. And on Tuesday the 29th, we're going to write down it was sunny and chilly. That's what Tasneem said. It was sunny and chilly.
Page 1 it wasn't exactly, it was fresh.
Okay, so that's the same thing as like chilly, right?
What page?
Fresh isn't usually a word we use when we're talking about weather. We're going to focus on kind of our weather words that we talked about yesterday.
28.
Our sunny and chilly. Oh, honey, we're going to get you caught up on yours. You weren't here yesterday, so we'll get you a calendar, okay? All right, so I'm going to give you 10 more seconds. 10, 9, ask a friend. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Please sit up, boys. We're learning.
3, 2, and 1. Tomorrow we'll have a new meteorologist who will give us the temperature or the weather. I want you guys to go ahead and close up your books.
That was
next
quick.
to me. Yep, real quick. We're going to be talking about something else now. Close your books.
How could that be so fast? That was so quick.
Sit your books. Friends, that doesn't take talking.
Oh, yeah. Hello, Derek.
We're wasting a lot of time here.
I appreciate the way Isaiah and Shankar and Natan followed directions.
Absolutely.
They'll be getting points.
I followed
The direction, if you didn't hear it, was put your book in front of you with your pencil. Awesome. All right, today we're going to be talking about something that I think you guys have all heard of before. Clouds. We've all seen them in the sky, haven't we?
Yeah.
I actually brought some cloud today.
No, you didn't.
I'm just kidding. I brought pictures of clouds. I want to know some of the things that you think about when you think about clouds. What are some ways that you would describe a cloud? So what are some ways that you would tell somebody about a cloud if they'd never seen a cloud before? So if they were in a different planet and they'd never seen a cloud before, how would you describe it? What kind of words would you use?
See it when they come to orbit. They always see in the sky.
Isaiah, what kind of words would you use to describe it to someone who'd never seen a cloud before? Nice and fluffy and white. I like that descriptive language. Natan?
It's nice and white and it's very soft.
Soft. Have you ever touched a cloud before?
I have, but
Maybe it looks soft. It looks soft. Who else? Calvin? Sure. Everybody listen up.
A cloud is made of water,
Waters and gases, different molecules. Yeah. It's true.
So you actually
Your hand would like go right through it, right?
When
And
I-
I've heard 2 of them were already pulled by somebody.
There was another one from the group that came in together. She left.
Like if someone from a different planet think if they saw it for the first time, he's like, "Hey, that looks like smoke."
maybe it would look like smoke. Yeah.
Michael, Amira.
So when we talk about a cloud, we're talking about things that are. Amira, can you switch spots with me over there? We're talking about things that, something that looks fluffy, right? Something that looks white, something puffy,
Puppy? I thought you said puppy.
right? Those are some of the things that we think about when we think about clouds. So today we're actually going to be looking at 3 different types of clouds. Do you guys notice sometimes in the sky, sometimes the clouds don't look puffy and white. Sometimes they look
like shapes.
different shapes,
Oh, they look different colors.
different colors.
Gray, orange.
Gray.
Orange. We're going to be on TV. Yes.
Yeah, sometimes the sun makes them look that way.
TV show? Brown.
Yeah. So I'm going to pass out these articles. I'm just going to pass them to the side, and each person take one, okay? Each person take one.
Take one and pass the whole rest of the stack.
We're going to read a little bit about a few different types of clouds. Yep, there's a couple pass around. And super focus. Thank you. So I want you guys to follow along with me. I'm going to read the front page. The very front page. It says types of clouds. And I want to make sure that everybody can hear me. If you're chit-chatting, turn it off. If you're chit-chatting, turn it off. I hope that each and every one of you can get to our ending activity because it's going to be super fun. But if I have to send you back to your desk, you'll just be reading articles, okay? Are clouds different? All clouds are made of very small water drops, but not all clouds are the same. Different kinds of clouds bring rain or snow. Some clouds mean good weather in the coming days.
Friends, what is the heading of our article? Michael,
Are clouds different
is that the big heading for the whole article?
types of clouds?
Types of clouds. So the whole article is about what, friends? Types of clouds. What was our first subheading? What was the first subheading, the title of that little section? Are clouds different? Look at that. We found it in our nonfiction article.
Nice job, guys. All right, we're going to go to the next page. Yeah, I would love if you read yours, but first, we're going to wait for everybody to turn their voices off again. Boys, turn your voice off. We cannot get to our learning if you are having separate conversations. Thank you. Yeah. So we're going to look at that subheading that says cumulus clouds. What is a cumulus cloud? Journey, let us know. Nice big voice.
Have flat bottoms and puffy tops. They look like floating cotton. These clouds grow upward. Small white
Cumulus.
clouds mean good weather.
Nice. We're going to pause there. Cumulus cloud. I see cumulus cloud on my little chart right here. What were some of the things that you just heard about cumulus clouds? How did our article describe a cumulus cloud? You can look back at the reading. It's in front of every single one of you. Michael.
Puffy.
Puffy.
Where are they puffy?
And at the top.
At top. Good listening.
On top.
11, 1. I'm at the top. Or you can
Kellen.
put a flat on the bottom.
Flat on the bottom. I'm just going to put flat on bottom.
Trista, mindful body, please.
One more really nice detail. Tasneem.
They look like cotton.
So they look like cotton? Yeah.
Can everybody say cumulus?
Cumulus.
Let's clap it. Ready? Cumulus.
3.
Three.
Wait, and then you got it. Cumulus. Cumulus.
All right.
I need voices off in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you for mindful bodies.
Colin, why don't you read to us about cirrus clouds? Right?
Cirrus.
Cirrus.
Cirrus. It's a
Yes, cirrus.
Cirrus clouds are very thin. People can see through them. Cirrus clouds look like cotton that was pulled apart. They form high in the sky. These clouds mean warm air is coming.
Yeah. So let's take a minute to look at these. Cirrus. Let's say that together. Cirrus. One more time. Cirrus.
That's two synonyms.
What were some of the details? Guys? Second graders.
Put your hands on your heads. Put your hands on your shoulders. Turn your voice off, please. Michael, did you hear any of the things I just asked you to do?
Yeah.
I don't think it's funny. I think it's disrespectful. So let's not encourage someone who's making a choice not to follow the rules. That dips out of my bucket.
So what were some of the details we read in that article about cirrus clouds? Natan?
That the cirrus clouds mean that warm air is coming.
Warm air coming.
They're not cirrus clouds.
And we have little pictures here of our clouds. Sylvia,
People can see through them.
they're see-through. I'm going to put see-through.
One of the ways, it's not in this article, but one of the ways I've heard cirrus clouds described are like little wisps. Like it's kind of like someone took a paintbrush and just did like a stroke in the sky. It's not a big puff, it's like a whoo.
And one more. Somebody I haven't heard from. Akram.
But how do you say it?
It's cirrus.
No.
We're not on that one. Does somebody else have? Amira. They're very thin. Yeah. And just so you guys know, this information is going to be super duper important to you guys when we go and do our activity. So let's get to our last and final cloud type. This cloud is called a stratus cloud. Say that with me. Stratus cloud. All right, Amira, can you read that last article? Nice big voice.
Stratus means
Krista?
Layer.
black, gray,
Eyes on the text.
stratus clouds from below in the sky. They look like balls that does not touch the ground, does not light, or sometimes fall from stratus clouds.
Yep, that last word was like drizzle.
What is
What is drizzle? Yeah. What is that? If it's drizzling outside, Shankar?
It's like when there's like little drops of rain coming down, like Not like a bunch at once, just tiny ones coming down at once.
Yeah, so it's not quite downpouring, it's not raining, it's just kind of drizzling. There's a little bit of water in the air coming down. So our stratus clouds, I heard a lot of things about those clouds. What are some details about those clouds that might be important? Michael?
They're great.
They're gray.
The first one I've heard about that's gray. So if you picture
Yeah.
what it would look like, if you looked up at the sky and it's sort of drizzling, like tiny little spits of rain, that's kind of what I picture the sky, like a big blanket of gray, right?
Kazim, was that in the article? What did you say? Oh, flat. Flat clouds. Attorney? Gentlemen.
Feel free to send anyone back to their desk at any time and lose that some of that time.
Yeah, I think that's going to start happening here soon.
Like fog.
It looks like fog.
Wait, where is it? Oh yeah.
One more. Someone I haven't heard from. We all read that together. Levy.
It's big. It's big as fog.
So fog.
Said that. Yeah, it's just like the same size as fog.
Yeah. And it means light. What was that word that we just talked about?
Light.
Light
Light drizzling.
drizzle.
The other thing that I heard in there was that it's really low to the ground, right? So
That's what I was
like a
gonna
big
say.
cumulus cloud is big puffy high in the sky, and these are going to low to the ground like there's some weather coming.
All right, guys. So our last piece, we're going to have about 15 minutes to do this. So we need to work efficiently. We are going to be making a mobile. That is something that looks like this. At the top, it's going to say types of clouds. You are going to have the 3 types of clouds hanging down from your mobile. And on the back, I want you to write either a sentence or a fact about that cloud on the back, just like I did on the back of my cumulus. I said looks like floating cotton. That was one of my details that I added. So when you go back to your desk, first step, cut out. Say that with me. First step, cut out. Your second step is going to be to give a detail. So our second is detail. Our second step is a
Detail.
The third is going to be getting your string. My third step is getting a string.
I have a crazy feeling we're going to get to cutting today, and that's maybe it.
Okay,
By the
yeah.
time we get caddies out.
We don't get this finished, you guys, we can finish them up another day. But we will get these done, okay? We are working, I'm not done. We're working independently, but you may talk to the people at your desk, in your group, and share ideas. Okay? So we are going, nope, you guys take this to your desk, because you might need these for the facts on the back of your,
I'm going to collect them when we're done. We're going to use them later for our comment assessment.
okay. All right, everybody, if you have a question, raise your hand now.
We have to write this. We have to write them, or do they just come?
Nope, you're writing a detail about your cloud on the back. Okay?
Although, Natasha, I would say a good goal for today is to get them all cut out. All 4 of your pieces need to be cut out by the end of today, and we'll put them in our folders.
So we have to write the words.
Yes, on the back. All right, and we are going.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30.
Nice job, guys.
You're getting your caddy out. Where are my supply distributors? Can you give everybody one of those? Can you give everybody one of those? He has his own paper handout. Everybody needs one. My goodness, these are a mess. Why are
It's like a poisonous snake. Oh, I'll get the other poisonous snake out there. And then this is the poisonous. Hey, look. That's so so we can. I got that too. This one kind of looks like this one that was cut out. Cut out. That's that one. The paper's not painted. The black lines are yeah, it looks like
I really hope not, because that would be really unsafe. Krista, look, you're cutting. Krista, we're cutting.
Then you'll know. I touched it because
For early dismissal.
apparently you have to like black.
Thank you.
What? Yes, of course. Just yeah. I don't know.
Cut, guys.
So we have about 6 minutes,
The first
guys.
day of December, so we put a new calendar.
No, there's one on your table. Just take care of your
Cutting.
Bye, Miss Goodstack.
Bye, bud. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Michael. Bye, Michael.
Bye, buddy.
I'm gonna how's it? Anything.
Wait.
What's it say?
You better practice.
Take the
Yes,
rest.
poison there, right? So good. You think this one looks like a fireball?
Really, what do you think it looks like? A stratus or a cirrus or a cumulus?
Friends, keep cutting. I would love for this to be done in about 5 minutes.
Yeah, but
No, we
I
don't.
just did here 5 minutes. Wait, you think Mario got it? I do. I have
Mine doesn't the chocolate juice, you know, it's the chocolate.
I do. I just changed my guy. He just put the red milk in it. Oh, look at my cloud. Hey, look. It's something on a cloud. Mine on a cloud. Look, it's on a cloud.
Guys, share it. We need to be cutting. Not playing with it. Go.
Yeah. This one is gonna be harder, and this one's gonna go up and down. Yeah, up and down. And this one is gonna be hard. Yeah. No, it's not. This one is I didn't try it out yet. I'm being careful. I'm doing the side. Yeah, this one was kind of easy. Not even
Doing it, but I knew. Lassity class. You could do me a favor and put the article that you just read out on your table, and Miss Penzo will collect those. I changed my mind and I want them back. We'll get everything done we need, I promise. I'm not gonna leave you hanging high and dry. Never do, Jeremy.
we were cutting.
All right, guys, we're gonna finish up where we are.
Got it.
We're going to be coming back to our ideas of clouds tomorrow.
I only have one more cloud left. That is so close. One thing.
So I'm gonna have you guys. Holy moly! If you can hear me, put your hands in your lap.
No, your camera's
Kylan, put your hands in your lap. Thank you. All right, we are gonna put all of our stuff back in our caddies, throw away our trash. Whatever you are not done with, put in your work folder because we are coming back to it tomorrow.
Your trash gets thrown away.
Go.
I did such a quick transition. I was like this, grab my